Hey traders, and welcome back to the market analysis for September 30th. Happy Wednesday. And today the market was definitely much better than yesterday in regards to pound yen and pound dollar. For pound yen, we got three signals today and less than yesterday, and they worked out for much better pips today. This one right here, right, we have it was happening at 2 o'clock in the morning. Actually, it was really to hold, but at the end of the day, what I really want you to do, if you get this type of entry in here, right here will be your stop loss for this entry. Actually would be this one, which will be your signal candle. So this will be your stop loss in here. So it would have stopped you out over here, and then you would have gotten this entry right over here at 6 o'clock in the morning, MT4. And then the stop loss for this one would have been right over here, and this one worked out for nice 54 pips, so that was really nice. And then today at the New York session, 13 at 1, we got this signal right over here, and your stop loss for that one would have been right over here. And you had to wait 1, 2, 3, 4 hours on that, and that one worked out for, well, the market went out for 73 pips and it took out at 50 pips. So it doesn't matter, what matters is that, obviously one of those things, if you like to hold trades, and if you put in your stop loss, just pretty much just let it be, and once it goes your way, then that obviously when you define your take profit. And yes, you get excited when you start seeing big candles, and you just gotta have to let it run and finish up. But this was for pound yen, and like I said, three signals. That was great. Now let's talk about pound dollar. We had a little bit more signals, just one extra, which these two right over here, they didn't really work out. Well, they did work out at the end, but your stop loss would have been here. For these two, it would have been somewhere around here, so it would have stopped you out somewhere already around here. And the one that have worked out right here will be this signal at 6 in the morning. This is like European type of session already, in the middle of the yen and European session. And then here will be at 1 also, this session. Then here will be 83 pips from here to here. So you would have risked on this session right here, you would have risked like around 40 pips in order to make around 80 pips. So that's really 2-to-1 ratio right there. That is really good. So our stop loss would have been like 3 pips below this signal candle, and it got close to it, but not really. So that was really good. So this was good. And then we have euro dollar, which was kind of crappy. We had again two signals in the morning, and those didn't work out. It would just stop you out in here, and then it would have given you this entry way too late, like around here, and it just worked out for 19 pips. So euro dollar today was not so great. I did enter on a 15-minute entry somewhere around here, and I was able to get some pips on that. So again, I'm showing you under the 1 hour, but you can also trade under the 5 and 15 minutes, and it's the same methodology. Once you get an entry, you just always gonna have to put in your stop loss, either manually or visually. You just gotta know, hey, this is my stop loss right here. So for euro dollar, you would have entered here, and then if you didn't get out, either you would have got out in here for a few pips negative, like something like 13, 12 pips negative, or you would have stopped you out here, obviously, for wait a lot more for 35 pips. So be careful when you get big candles like this and you wait for to come back to your stop loss. It's better off maybe when to get out at an opposite entry, something like that, somewhere around here. So that's it, traders. The market was really great, and this is only 3 pairs. I cannot imagine any other pairs out there. And I will see you on tomorrow market analysis. I hope your day was great and I hope you got positive tips today. And please subscribe and like and comment on your trading, what you did, how many pips you were able to get on today. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.